Bro, the girl with the sing song, yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today's video is a cook and clean with me. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use that Flash cooker's washing spray, or it's just something that you could just use to wash the cooker or the sink or anywhere. So I spray that on the cooker and then I left it on for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then I go back to the sink to clear up the plate and everything. So the next thing I'm gonna do, what I normally do is after washing, I always like to air dry the plate. So I'm just gonna leave the plates there for like 3 to 5 minutes. And then the next thing I do after washing, because I use a lot of palm oil, so I normally put in caustic soda with hot water, boiling hot water. So I use it for the drainage, or just to make sure that there's no blockage in the sink, and just to make sure that everything just goes smoothly. So the caustic soda, I got it from, I think, Poundland or Wilco. So you can just get it at any grocery store. And then the next thing I do is I pour in the hot water, and then I just go back just to wash the just for any jams or anything. I go back on and use the Flash again to wash the sink and make sure that everything is clean and tidy, and then I pour in another hot water again. So the next thing I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna scrub the cooker. I normally use iron sponge if I've got any sticky things on there. So, and then I use the iron sponge as well to wash the burners. After washing, I normally put on the cooker just to make sure that there is no excess water in the burner, and then is working properly. So the next thing I'm gonna do, and this is the finished cleaning of the sink, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just quickly gonna cook fried rice for my little boss. She actually requested it, and then I've been postponing and postponing, so that's what I'm just gonna do next. So keep watching. About to cook the fried rice now, and that is what I'm doing. I'm pre-boiling the prawns, and that is the rice. If you want to see the recipe, or if you want the recipe for fried rice, I think I have it on my channel, or I'll put the link somewhere, so you could click on it so you could see the recipe for the fried rice. I'm gonna take this off the cooker and just rinse it out. So if you want ayamase recipe, is on my channel as well. So the next thing I'm doing now is I'm cooking the prawns. I put just a tablespoon. Is it tablespoon? No, just a teaspoon of Maggi in the prawns, just to make sure that it's got a little bit of taste. And then I pre-boil the white rice before cooking it. And what I did is, if you want the recipe of the fried rice, should be on my channel. And what I did is I don't normally put salt in the white rice before I mix it up with the veggies. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna prep them into like a takeaway plate, and then I just set them aside for it to cool down before putting them in the fridge in case she wanted later on, because normally she's unpack lunch, so she could have something to take to school as well. And the next thing I'm gonna do is, because she normally take food to school, I normally put hot water in her food flask, just to make sure that the flask is a bit hot before I put in her food. So anyone that is team Milo would understand what I'm doing. I love Milo so much, because I can't just do without it. But the thing now is I'm just cleaning up the rest of the pots that I used. Normally she's the one that's supposed to come back from school and wash it, but it won't be fair on her for me to use all those things and then not to clear up. But normally she wash her plate herself, so she can still get something to wash when she comes back. She washes pot as well, oh, don't be surprised. Anyway guys, so yeah, so I'm just cleaning up, and then I'm gonna go back again to put hot boiling. I'm so sorry if I'm a bit clumsy. I'm so sorry. So yeah, so I'm just finishing up now, and just clearing up and making sure that everywhere is neat and tidy. And that is the end of the cooking. I told you it's just a little bit of cooking, not that much. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Thank you for watching the cleaning process and the cooking process and tidying up process. It's quite a lot for me since morning that I've started. So thank you guys so much. I know she'll be happy when she comes back with the fried rice that, oh, finally I did it. Because I'm not gonna lie, I've not been really being myself lately, but thank you guys so much for holding it down. I really appreciate you guys for holding it down for me, for standing by, for the text messages, for everything. I'm saying thank you guys so much. So for watching today's video, thank you for watching today's video. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? This is 2019. It is absolutely free. Subscription is free. Just click on the subscribe button, press on the notification bell, and you'll be notified anytime I upload any new videos. But for now, I'm saying thank you guys so much. It's time for school run, so I have to put myself together, rest a little bit for like 5 minutes, and then I'll be on my way.